Want to know how to create a simple quiz in Java? So in this video, I'm just going to show you how this code works and how you can just simply create a simple quiz. So I'm just going to show you how you can do it with a single question. So it's super simple and under a minute. So let's get straight to it. Now, first thing first, we just have our default public class right here. And since we want to insert our user input, we just type in import Java util scanner right here. So once you have typed in import Java util scanner, here you can be able to take user input. So you can see scanner sc equals to new scanner, and on the system out print ln, we have a question what is 5 plus 3. So for that, we take user input. So just simply under integer answer, we type in next int in order to take an integer input. So we use if else statement next. So if our answer is equals to 8, which is double equals to, it prints out correct, else it just prints out wrong and just simply closes the method right here. So you can just simply run this code and see if it's correct or not. So if I type 9, it comes in as incorrect, and you can also see the correct answer. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.